Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm thrilled to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're exploring two common verbs that learners often confuse, keep and put.
These words might seem simple, but they have different meanings and uses that are important to understand.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use keep, when to use put, and understand the key differences between them.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make English usage clear and practical with everyday examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding these common verbs is essential.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the fundamental difference between keep and put?
Here's the key. Keep means to continue having something, to maintain a state, or to store something regularly. Put means to place or position something in a specific location.
Think of keep as about duration, continuation, or storage. Think of put as about action, placement, or movement to a location.
Keep is often about not moving something or maintaining a condition. Put is about the action of moving something to a place.
Let's start with keep, exploring all its meanings and uses.
Use 1. To continue having or possessing something, not giving it away.
You can keep the book. You can continue to possess it. Don't return it.
I want to keep this shirt. I want to continue owning it, not throw it away.
Keep the change. Don't give the change back. It's yours to have.
This keep means retain possession, not give away or lose something.
Use 2. To store something regularly in a particular place.
I keep my keys in this drawer. This is where I regularly store them.
Where do you keep the sugar? Where is its regular storage location?
We keep our money in the bank, the regular place where it's stored.
This keep indicates a habitual or regular storage location, not a one-time placement.
Use 3. To maintain a state or condition, continue being a certain way.
Keep calm. Continue being calm. Maintain that state.
Keep quiet. Continue being quiet. Maintain silence.
This will keep you warm. This will maintain your warmth. Continue that condition.
Keep here means maintain or continue a particular state or condition.
Use 4. To cause something to remain in a position or place.
Keep your hands on the wheel. Maintain them in that position. Don't move them.
Keep the door closed. Maintain it in closed position. Don't let it open.
Keep your eyes on the road. Continue looking at the road. Maintain attention there.
Use 5. To continue doing something, not stopping an action.
Keep walking. Continue the action of walking. Don't stop.
Keep trying. Continue making efforts. Persist in the action. Keep plus ing verb means continue performing that action.
Now let's explore put, its meanings and uses.
Use 1. To place or position something in a specific location, the main meaning.
Put the book on the table. Place the book in that location. Action of moving it there.
Where did you put my keys? Where did you place them? Asking about location of placement.
I'll put this in the fridge. I'll place it there. Action of moving to the fridge.
Put focuses on the action of placing, the movement to a location.
Use 2. To move something to a particular place or position.
Put your hands up. Move your hands to raised position. Action command.
Put the car in the garage. Move the car to that location.
Put on your coat. Move the coat onto your body. Get dressed.
Put indicates movement or transition to a new location or state.
Use 3. To bring something into a particular state or condition.
That puts me in a good mood. That brings me into that emotional state.
Put the kids to bed. Cause them to be in bed and sleeping. Transition to that state.
Put an end to this. Cause it to end. Bring about that condition.
Use 4. To express or phrase something in a particular way.
How should I put this? How should I phrase or express this?
To put it simply, to express it in simple terms.
Let me put it another way. Let me rephrase or express it differently.
Now let's directly compare keep and put to see the differences clearly. Storage. I keep my keys in this drawer. Habitual storage. They're regularly there.
Placement. I put my keys in this drawer. action of placing them there now, one-time action.
Keep emphasizes the regular location. Put emphasizes the action of placing.
Continuation, keep your seatbelt on, continue having it on, maintain that state.
Action, put your seatbelt on. Do the action of fastening it now, transition to wearing it.
Keep means maintain a condition. Put means perform an action.
Possession, you can keep this. Continue possessing it. It's yours.
Placement, you can put this away. Place it in storage, action of storing it.
Keep is about ownership. Put is about location action. Now, let's look at common phrasal verbs and expressions with keep. Keep up, maintain pace or continue at same level. Keep up the good work.
Keep on, continue doing something, keep on trying.
Keep away, stay at a distance from. Keep away from danger.
Keep back, stay at a distance, not come closer. Keep back from the fire.
Keep in mind, remember, don't forget. Keep in mind what I said.
Keep to yourself, remain private, not share. He keeps to himself.
Keep an eye on, watch, monitor. Keep an eye on the children.
Now common phrasal verbs and expressions with put.
Put away, return to proper storage place. Put away your toys.
Put on, wear, get dressed in. Put on your shoes.
Put off, postpone, delay. Let's put off the meeting.
Put off, extinguish, put out the fire.
Put to up with, tolerate, endure. I can't put up with this noise.
Put down, place on surface or write down. Put down your bag.
Put together, assemble, combine. Put together a plan. Now, let's tackle common mistakes learners make. Mistake 1, using put when keep is needed for habitual storage.
Wrong. I put my keys in this drawer when describing regular location. Better, I keep my keys in this drawer.
If it's about where you regularly store something, use keep. Mistake 2, using keep when put is needed for immediate action.
Wrong. Keep your coat on the chair as a command to place it now. Right. Put your coat on the chair.
If it's a command for immediate placement, use put. Mistake 3, confusing keep on and put on.
Keep on your jacket means continue wearing it, don't take it off.
Put on your jacket means get dressed in it now, action of wearing it.
Different meanings. Keep on equals continue wearing. Put on equals action of dressing.
Mistake 4, using put for maintaining a state.
Wrong. Put calm. Right. Keep calm.
For maintaining conditions or states, use keep, not put.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1, at home. Where should I put these groceries?
Put the milk in the fridge. We keep it on the top shelf.
Put the milk equals action of placing it. We keep it equals regular storage location. Scenario 2, getting dressed. Put on your jacket, it's cold.
I'll keep it on all day.
Good idea.
Put on equals action of wearing. Keep it on equals continue wearing.
Scenario 3, at the office. Where do you keep the supplies?
We keep them in the cabinet. Just put anything you use back there.
Keep them equals regular storage. Put back equals action of returning to location. Scenario 4, giving advice. You should keep exercising.
Where should I put my gym bag?
Just put it in the closet. I keep mine there too.
Keep exercising equals continue the activity. Put it equals place it. Keep mine equals regular storage.
Let's discuss time aspects, keep and put with different tenses.
Keep emphasizes duration and continuation across tenses.
Present, I keep my wallet here. Present habit, regular location.
Past, I kept my wallet there. Past habit, used to store it there.
Future, I'll keep my wallet here. Future habit, we'll store it there regularly.
Present perfect, I've kept this for years. Duration from past to present.
Put emphasizes specific actions or moments across tenses.
Present, I put my wallet here. Action happening now or habitually.
Past, I put my wallet there yesterday. Specific past action of placing.
Future, I'll put my wallet there. Future action of placing.
Present perfect, I've put it away. Completed action with present relevance.
Now let's look at keep and put with different prepositions.
Keep in, store inside something. Keep the milk in the fridge.
Put in, place inside something. Put your hand in your pocket.
Keep on, continue wearing or continue action. Keep on your hat.
Put on equals action of wearing. Put on your hat.
Keep away from, maintain distance. Keep away from the edge.
Put away equals store in proper place. Put away your toys.
Different prepositions create different meanings.
Now let's discuss formal versus casual usage.
Both keep and put work in all contexts, formal and informal.
Please keep this confidential. Formal. Keep it secret. Casual.
Please put your signature here, formal. Just put your name here, casual.
The words themselves aren't inherently formal or informal. Context determines register.
Here are memory tricks for remembering the difference.
Trick 1. Keep equals continue. Keep is about continuation, keeping going, keeping in place.
Trick 2. Put equals place. Both start with P. Put means place.
Trick 3. Ask, is this an action happening now or a regular habit? Action equals put. Habit equals keep.
Trick 4. Keep has no direction. Put has direction. Keep maintains. Put moves to location.
Trick 5. If you can say where you do it regularly, use keep. I keep it in the drawer.
Here are practical tips for mastering keep and put.
Tip 1. Think about whether you're describing an action or a state or condition.
Tip 2. For commands about immediate action, put is usually correct.
Tip 3. For describing regular storage locations, keep is usually correct.
Tip 4. Learn common phrasal verbs with each. They're very different.
Tip 5. Pay attention to time. Is it one moment or ongoing? Moment equals put, ongoing equals keep.
Tip 6. Practice with objects around you. Where do you keep things? Where will you put things?
Tip 7. Listen to native speakers and notice which word they choose in different situations.
Tip 8. Don't overthink it. Context usually makes the choice clear.
Let's do practice exercises.
Fill in. Where do your books? Answer. Keep. Regular storage location.
Fill in, blank, your phone on the table. Answer, put. Command for immediate placement.
Fill in. I blank forgetting to call him. Answer. Keep. Continuous action. Repeated.
Fill in, blank this in your bag. Answer, put. Action of placing.
Fill in. Blank trying, don't give up. Answer. Keep. Continue the action.
Fill in, blank on your shoes before we leave. Answer, put. Action of wearing.
Fill in. I blank all my passwords in a notebook. Answer. Keep. Regular storage.
Fill in, blanket anywhere for now. Answer, put. Action of placing somewhere.
Let's look at some advanced uses and expressions.
Keep your word means fulfill your promise. Keep in touch means maintain contact.
Different structures for different meanings.
Let's do a comprehensive summary.
Keep means continue having, store regularly, maintain a state, cause to remain in position, continue doing.
Put means place in location, move to position, bring into a state, express or phrase.
Key difference, keep is about continuation, duration, maintenance. Put is about action, placement, movement.
Keep for regular storage. I keep my keys in this drawer.
Put for immediate placement. I put my keys in this drawer, just did it now.
Keep for maintaining states. Keep calm, keep quiet.
Put for actions. Put on your coat, put away your phone.
Common keep phrases, keep up, keep on, keep away, keep in mind, keep an eye on.
Common put phrases, put away, put on, put off, put out, put up with, put down.
Memory tricks, keep equals continue, put equals place. Keep maintains, put moves.
Before we finish, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create practical English lessons every week to help you speak naturally and confidently.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave a comment with 2 sentences, one using keep and one using put correctly.
Challenge. This week, notice when you use keep or put. Are you describing an action or duration?
Thank you for listening. We hope keep and put are much clearer now.
These common verbs are everywhere in English. Using them correctly makes you sound natural.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.